All right, and we're back. First person world record attempt in hardcore. My zoom out button is unbound. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. It takes me down to like 60% with just one person, just one mob. Pretty sure if I aggroed two mobs, I would die. Big crits there, brother. Big crits there, brother. Oh, fuck. Alright, I gotta... I gotta... tighten it up here. I don't need any more bears. Got some peace bloom in front of me. Okay. Look at that shit. Wasn't sure if that other one was gonna pull with it. Bastard. I'm running low on throwing items. Pretty sure the... Alright, I'm out of throwing items. Shit. Alright. I need 2 more snow leopards, and then we are good to turn that quest in. Bruh! My leopard. Surprised I got this close. I bought some beef flavored ramen at the store the other day, and you know, usually though, you can actually have things that are beef or chicken flavored that don't actually have meat in it. And I'm a vegetarian, and I thought this was the case. And then I heated up this stuff, and I was looking at it. There were chunks of like brown stuff. So I went ahead and Googled just to be safe. And apparently it had something called beef extract. I couldn't eat it. I've got to give away the other pack. Luckily, I only got 2 packs. It's weird because I could have sworn, because I got the hot and spicy the other day, or like a couple weeks ago, and I don't think there was meat in it, or I fucking hope there wasn't meat in it. But for some reason, the regular beef does. I don't know. Maybe the hot and spicy had beef in it. I feel like I'm in the game. I'm doing the picking. What up, brother? What up, brother? Sure. Alright. Gonna turn in this quest, and then I'm gonna go try to wrap up the Wendigo quests. I don't think I'm gonna do the perfect stout, because every time I go over there and try to do it, um, in the past. There's just people there, not enough mobs, so not enough items to
What's on
loot.
your mind?
So just gonna go ahead and skip that.
Be good.
Oh,
How
there's
are
like,
you?
you know, I should have sold some stuff earlier. What is this? Don't need that.
Be good.
All right.
Interest you on a pint? What's your back?
So I think I'm done over here for now. So you can really tell when there's a hardcore character when it's a human in Dunmora. Can I throw anything here? I need to be careful for respawns here. Alright, I just need 2 more. Yeah, I think I'm going to do this quest, and then I'm going to turn in that other quest over in Steel Grill. And I think I'm going to Elwyn Forest. I think these people have it right, getting ahead of the zone's level, you know? Just trying to be, at least in the earlier levels, matters a lot more, I think. Each level matters way more, whereas when you get to a higher level, the stats you gain per level don't really affect you as much as they do at lower levels. I think. I don't know. That's what it feels like. I don't actually know if that's true. Honestly, should have checked my health there. I didn't, but I mean, I'm fine, but I definitely am not being careful. Wow, wow, that all dropped. That's amazing. I could have been there for another like 20 minutes with that drop rate, but I guess I got lucky. You know what? I think I can make some. Let's do this.
I've the finest wares in the land. Off with it.
Hi, be good.
What? Need to find empty vials. Alright, if they're not out here, they're probably. They are probably in here. Let's see. General supplies.
Aye?
What the fuck? Oh, you know what? I need to get some throwing knives while I'm thinking about it. So what's the difference between throwing knife and throwing axe? Is there a difference? I almost findered those those bracers, but I actually didn't have bracers yet. Okay. Let's try some throwing knives since I've had the axe first.
I've the finest wares in the land.
Alright, fair enough.
See you soon.
Bum, 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 bum.
What can I get?
I thought I could buy empty vials somewhere. I suppose not.
Safe travels. What's on your mind?
Alright, well.
Safe travels.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Unless this person sells
Great
stuff.
to meet
No.
you. Here there.
Oh, they are right here. Alright, I'm just blind.
Hey, good.
I want to make 2 of these lion strength potions. I ran out of bag space, which is probably inevitable. I'm gonna go ahead and make some defense potions too. Yeah, let's try these out. Cool, I got 2 of those. How long do those last? 1 hour? Okay. Hopefully I won't have to pop it till I pop another defensive, and I'll just get them on the same cooldown. So I don't have to worry about each separately. Pretty crazy, I can already go pick up less in Westfall.
Talk to me. Watch your back.
I would surely die.
What's on your mind?
That is an upgrade, I will take it.
See you soon.
And I just leveled. Cool. Let me make sure. Alright, fuck it. Alright, it's I think it's time to go to. Thank you, I just got a buff. Cool, okay. But you just gave me. Well. Alright. We are on our way to Elwyn Forest. We are level 9. I think the strategy is to out-level the zones. At least a little bit. So when I come into I wonder how people get.
May your generosity be returned to you 100-fold.
I'm wondering how night elves get over here before level, like, I don't know how they get through wetlands. You got level 24 crocodiles chasing you on the road, and between wetlands and Loch Moden, you have these orcs on the hill. I don't know. I do not know how they do it. I mean, I'm a rogue, so I technically could stealth, but how effective is my stealth? Really? Probably not that. Probably not that great against higher levels. Cool. Alright. Oh, this is kind of trippy to look at in person. Alright. And I make the tram. I'm pretty sure I'm going to miss this. But you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And fuck. Alright. Guess we'll wait for the next one. Tram looks pretty cool in first person. We made it! You know what? Before I do this... Oh, shit. What the fuck? I could actually see my head for a little bit there. That was weird. I was gonna log out and scout Stormwind for Turimus, but I'm just gonna keep my eyes up. Keep my feet on the ground, brother. I really do underestimate how close my paladin was to dying to Tremus. I was running like in trade district, and Tremus was behind me, coming my way as well, and I just logged out. I logged out before something bad happened. I haven't seen anything in trade talking about Taremus, so I think we should be alright. Famous last words. Oh, I just realized I'm not in a guild right now. What was that? Am I tripping? Alright, I thought I saw something. What is going on? Why do I feel like I'm seeing shit? I don't know why I feel like I'm seeing stuff. I'm scared.
King's honor, friend.
Put this in. Need to sell that dagger. Let's put this recipe in there.
Be careful.
Alright, cool. Okay, I'm actually so paranoid right now. Being in the guild is fun because you get to see people die. Well, that's kind of messed up, but it's part of the camaraderie. Welcome to Goldshire. Alright. Still trying to get a dang,
Hello.
dang guild invite, but
Good day to you. See you around. Hey there. Safe travels.
need to sell this
I buy
dagger.
and trade. Go with honor, friend.
Got that.
What can I do for you? Well met.
Well met, brother.
Light bless you. Greetings. For the Alliance. Go with honor, friend.
Jesus. You got 3 quests for me?
You need something?
I do need something.
Have a good one.
The quest you have. I'm not doing that quest. I'll keep the number gone quest. What's up, dude?
You need something?
I do. I need your quest. 8 large
See you
candles.
later.
All right.
Hey there.
Hey, what's up? Gonna make
Have a good one.
my home Goldshire Inn. All right, here we go. And I'm also gonna repair my gear while I'm thinking about it. I actually might buy another bag.
What can I do for you?
What are you looking for?
You know what? Forget it. I'm
careful.
Or not forget it. I'm gonna grab a bag.
I supply only the finest goods. See you around.
King's honor, friend.
Things on him, brother.
Light
Hell
bless you.
sells bags in here. I feel like someone does. That guy doesn't. Somewhere in the end's gotta sell. Fist. Ah, there we go. I like rarely buy
For the
5
Alliance.
bags, but I'm having absolutely no luck buying or with bag drops, so don't want to lose out on money because my bags are full all the time. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do this quest up here while I might as well. That's not a lot of experience, I don't think, but I can take I'll take what I can get. Okay.
What can I do for you? Safe
Light
travels.
be with you.
And back to Goldshire. Back to Baghdad.
Good day to you. See you later.
All right. I need to go eat some dinner. What if I should stop the stream or just... Let's just stop the stream for now, and then we will come back.